Hello.
Good morning.
And welcome to the beautiful Columbia River Gorge. I'm Brian, that's Marisa. Welcome back to our channel. And today, what are we doing?
We are hiking on this beautiful spring day. It's so sunny. Oh my gosh, no, it's really snowing and raining. But we are doing a 3.6 mile hike, 1,400 feet in elevation, and we maybe get to see 6 waterfalls. So that means you get to see 6 waterfalls.
Holy cow, you just saw one. Now, well, one's Horsetail Falls. And we're gonna hike up to Ponytail Falls next. So,
all right,
let's go.
Let's do this.
See where this day takes us.
Woo!
Alright, that was Ponytail Falls. Holy cow. Gotta love those waterfalls that you can walk behind.
So cool.
Freaking amazing. Alright, on to the next. Crazy green. I know it's probably coming off really green in the video, but it's really that green. It is that green. It's that green. Oh wow. Alright, now we've turned the corner and we're making our way up Oneonta Gorge. And there's 3 waterfalls, the lower, middle, and upper. And then on to Triple Falls.
That is Oneonta Falls, and that was our very first gorge hike we ever did together. Way back in like, I don't know, 2016 or something.
15 or 16?
Yeah.
15, I think.
8 years ago. Oh my God.
Yeah, there's Oneonta Gorge. You can actually walk up it or wade through it up in the summertime. Just be cautious, as you can see all the logs and stuff. Very, very sketchy. Alright, right down there is the lower falls, and this is the middle falls. Alright, the rain has started back up, and we have made it to the Oneonta Trail, and 0.8 miles up to
Triple Falls.
And then that's our turnaround spot.
All right, let's go.
That was the upper Oneonta Gorge Falls, and we'll keep climbing, and we're getting soaked out here, but loving it. I think we're close. Let's see. There it is. Triple Falls.
snowstorm we're in right now.
Started dumping.
Dumping snow and head back towards the parking lot. So, it's a beautiful hike though. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, amazing.
6 waterfalls plus tons of extras, just little ones on the sides of the hills.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous.
It's cold and wet.
Oh, yep. All right,
let's get out of here.
Let's go.
Do the snappy thing.
I can't. My fingers are all wet.
I gotcha. Yeah.
Good job. That was a tough one. All right, well that is it for this hike in the gorge.
Yeah.
Holy moly,
amazing.
It was so beautiful. We hit 6 waterfalls, did 4.5 miles, 1,000 feet in elevation.
Yeah.
Killed it.
Awesome. Freaking waterfalls were so beautiful today. In the snow.
We had a snowstorm.
Yeah, we got soaked, we're cold, we're wet. It was worth it though.
Yeah, it was so awesome.
Yeah.
So.
All right, let's get out of here. Get some warm.
Yeah, we need to get warm, get some food.
Yeah, let's go.
All right, so thank you for joining us on this edition of our PNW Adventures, and we'll see you on the next video.
Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye.
Bye.
Did you like that drone shot? Is that the falls we went to the base of?
Yeah, we had to walk.
We hiked all the way through here?
Yeah. The one with all the freaking
The
people.
millions.
We have to climb over that log.
Jam. Oh, wow. I'm definitely getting a slow-mo of this.
Oh, there it goes. Aww.
Really? Right when I started videoing it. I got it on
Camera. Photo.
Hi. It's cold and rainy now.
It's kind of snowing. Rain, snow.
It's rain.
Hard.
Hardcore rain.
Hardcore rain. All right. Well, that. Oh, stop. Yes, now.
Well, I did it down there. We just freaking slapped hands down there.
I know, but you snapped.
Well, you don't get snappy on them down. I don't care. My feet are...
Oh. Time for switchbacks.
Oh, yeah. First one of the day. I love it.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. I said bye.